don't even know what the fuck going through my head and shit. I be tweet sometimes, sweat shit. For that shit, blow that shit. Nigga try me and that's dead for real. I'm a young nigga, want cash for real. Money fetish in my bag for real. Got your hand out, I ain't ask for real. Stick now he asking to kill. Slice the nigga, now they kill for bill. Wild out like I'm Dr. Phil. It's the hard knocks, gotta walk the hill. It's the hard nights, gotta talk to him. Should've stayed in school cause I was touching on the realm. Draw a lot of money, touching them. Tryna double money like an Eminem. Better hug it, homie, cause they getting out of here. Stick in hand, baby, get them out of here. 5 in hand, so I'm 5 out of here. Bad bitches round, vibing out of here. Roll the weed, now a nigga out of here. Beat a nigga if he draw you out of here. Flaming nigga, but it's hot as hell in here. Use a cane if you walking out of here. Roll your pain if you talking out of here. Stay in your lane, gotta think it out of here. I'm going insane, but your lane is out of here. I want bad car, I want bad bitches, These bitches for the team, I'm passing the ball. I'm ducking bitches like I do a Jabbar. These bitches fucking cause they like to change the bar. You saying little Fredo ain't have it hard. Bitch money fan, they fucking for the car. Joker nigga and I'm pulling out the car. Pussy nigga twitch and get in the car. One day soft, next day hard. No MMA cause they whacking all the cars. If we hit the lotto, then we smoking on the shore. If you hit the target, then we shooting on the dart. ST, but we shining like the hard. Speaking of talking, we popping like guitar. Bad G, we was smoking on smart. No teacup, we was whacking them bars. You playing stupid, so we acting retarded. Party nigga, but I ain't fucking with the party. Why the fucking bitches ain't fucking for the party? Why the fucking bitches ain't fucking for the party?